Hello everyone, welcome back with another video by Gurjit. And today's video we're gonna see how you can use this Midjourney. For those who don't know what this thing is, Midjourney is a kind of a AI generation tool. Basically, you can create images and things like that with help of this Midjourney. And you might have already seen like a lot of images that are that have been generated by this. Okay, like maybe somewhere on internet. Okay, and this thing is like literally very fascinating, and this video is going to be about like how you can use it basically this is the very basic tutorial like for someone who's completely beginner. So if you do have some sort of experience in it, then I would not recommend you to watch this video because it's not for you, because you already know like the thing that I'm going to teach in this video. But if you're completely new and don't know how to use this thing, then this video is going to be then this video will be for you. So this is the thing, midjourney.com, and this is not an actual software. It's just a home page of it. So how you can use it? Okay, so basically, Midjourney, there is a Discord bot of it, which we will use to generate images. And believe me, like Discord bot of this platform is everything. Basically, they operate everything from their Discord bot. Like even if you have a subscription and all, you will manage that from Discord bot. Okay, we will see like what is the subscription and all, but first of all let's try to see how you can use it. So open a Discord account. If you don't have that, like create one, because without this it would be kind of trickier. It would be kind of trickier for you to use this thing. Okay, for now, because they are like literally operating everything on uh, Discord bot as per my understanding. So here click on this add a server, not add a server, maybe on explore public server. And the first server that you'll see here is more very much likely is it will be a Midjourney, because it's one of the popular server out there. And but if you don't see it here, then you can just type it Midjourney and search it and then just join the server. And once you've done that, and after that, go inside this Midjourney, and here you will see there are like different channels out there, right? uh, just go any of these newbies. Basically here if you have free credits, because initially as per my understanding, if you have just entered into the server, then you will have a few limits or like a few credits, free credits you can say. With help of that you can generate images, but make sure you cannot use that images to do something commercially, because that's not available for that. So now let's see like how you can generate an image. Okay, so there is a very basic command, newbies. You will start invoke that command by typing slash, and here type imagine. Okay, imagine. And here you can see there is a prompt. In the prompt, what you will do, you will basically think of any scenario. Okay, basically the image that you want to generate, just think of the visuals of it. Let's say a boy sitting and crying for toy. Okay, and now let's just enter this, and it will take some time. Right now I'm using like a subscription one, so basically I paid some money to get an access of this. But I don't think if you are a beginner then you need that. Although if you have a money, then you can go with it, because then it will generate things very faster. But even if you don't have, if you just want to play with it, like how this thing works, then I think free account would be enough for you. So here you can see like it is generating, and it is 62% right now. And here is your result. Okay, so it looks sort of a cartoonistic, which because we haven't defined it that accurately, that's why. So yeah, it totally depends on how well you enter your prompt. Okay, so let's say let's imagine something new this time. Imagine Cristiano, or let's say Ronaldo in Indian dress. Okay, and there is one more thing is like you can specify V. V stands for version, what version you are using. and there is a version number. So there are like a three version out there, according to me. I haven't seen and I haven't explored it yet. But according to me, but as per my understanding, like this fifth one is a very advanced one, and it's one of the latest version that you can have. But I think if you're using a free account, then you might not be able to access this one right now. So yeah, that's what it is. So you might be able to use only V4 for now. But yeah, that's powerful as well if you just want to, like, explore and all. So let's go with this V4. Okay, forget that V5 for now. And but yeah, you can literally enter V5 to get a more realistic images. Okay, but yeah, you'll be using here V4, and here we have written Ronaldo in Indian dress, and there you can specify a little bit more detail, like how that person should look and things like that. Okay, you can define the background, like there should be not there should be Taj Mahal. Taj Mahal is a monument in India in background. Okay, and once you will click on it, and it will take some time, it will generate this for you. Taj Mahal in background, and let's see where is our result. Okay, so sometimes it can take some time depending on, like, what is the usage of server, but I think it has started generating, and let's wait for a few seconds, and I think we will have our, and you can see literally, like, you can see the glimpses of it, although it hasn't generated yet completely, but yeah, you can see that. Let's wait for a few more seconds, and I think we have it ready. Although it's not completely look like a Ronaldo, of course not, but it's sort of a generated image like that, right? So that's how you can basically define a prompt in Midjourney. Now the one thing is, like, this is the newbies account, and whatever you will post here, um, it will be publicly available, right? There is another feature which I'll show you, but before that, there is one more thing which I want to teach you. It's like how you can add this Midjourney bot basically to your own server. So if you don't know, like, you can create your own server by clicking on this add a server button, and once you've done that, just like I've created a one very test server, and after that, what you can do, you can basically add your Midjourney bot here. So how to do that? Like, go inside this Midjourney server, and here click on this drop down, and I think there should be icon, or maybe you can do that by, like, uh, click on it. Yeah, so you have to click on this icon, and here you'll see add to server option. Click on this, and then choose what server you want to add, what server you want this Midjourney bot to be. Sorry, but you get it. Okay, so we are going to select this test server, and here just click on this continue and allow all the permissions. Yeah, if it's your private server, you can allow all the things. And after that, click on this authorize button, and it will ask you for human. Now it's really nice to see that now machine is asking whether you are a human or not. uh, Please click each image containing a hot dog. Okay, let me just verify this one, and click on verify. Okay, so we have verified, and I think we have added our mid journey bot as well. Okay, so now you can, like, ask whatever you want here directly without any problem. So uh, and let's say a person standing uh, standing in front of mirror. Okay, and let me show you the version 5 as well. Although I'm just entering like a one line prompt right now, but you can be more specific to it. Okay, so in that case, it will generate a more accurate image for you. Okay, but I'm just going to show you, like, how you can use it. That's why I'm just entering like a very short prompt, but You can tailor it according to your uses, I mean according to your need. And here you can see like it is generating it. And there's another feature which I would like to show you is let me go here. So there is a person don't exist. So this is the AI generator image. Basically all these faces that you are seeing right now, none of these are real. These are being generated by an AI, so we can use it. So just select any photo. Here I'm going to show you a demo, that's why I'm using this image, but you can use your own image if you have that. And upload it here. After that, like once you've clicked and once you have your image, just upload it here. It might take some time, and after that your image will get uploaded, and after that also you like what else you can do with it. So now let's start. Now let's add one more image, background PNG anime. Although it doesn't make any sense, but yeah, because it's just like creating how well these AI are creating these images. It's just fascinating. Yeah, so let's take this one for example, and let me copy this as well, crop this as well, and let me paste it here. And after that I will tell you like what you can define, like what you can do with these two images. We are going to sort of remix these two images, and we will take a help of this Midjourney bot here. It will not completely look like this person, but sort of. Okay, so now we have two different images. So what you can do, like first start with imagine, and here right click on this image that you want to select, and click on this copy link, and here paste this and give it a space, and then select another one and paste it here. Now you can define your prompt like a girl, uh, a girl in cyberpunk mode. Okay, realistic. Although you can enter like whatever you feel like. It doesn't make any. Yeah, it does make sense, but yeah, version 5. That's what you're going to use. And here you will see like it will take some time, and after that your images will be processed, and you will see like the image that it will generate will be sort of a mix of these two images. And here it is taking some time. Let's wait for a few seconds, and I think after that we will be able to see something on the screen. A girl in cyberpunk mode, realistic, version 5. Okay, so here you can see like it took a reference from this image and this background, and it remixed both of them and created a one cyberpunk mode sort of image. And 93% fast. And now here you have that. Okay, so that's how you can generate. And if you'll take a closer look at, if you'll take a closer look at this, then you will see that background is sort of like this. Okay, so that's how you can like remix your images. And after that what you can do is like whatever images out of these you liked, I mean whatever images out of these you like, just select it like by clicking on this u3, u4, u2, u1. So u1 stands for this one, u2 stands for this one, and so on. So what does it mean by u1 and v1? Okay, so u1 is basically you want to upscale this particular image. Okay, so it has given you like a 4 different options that you have, and you can upscale any image that you want. Let's say I liked this one, or let's say this one, u2. So you can click on u2 and it will start, and it will give you like a larger version of that image. Okay, so that's how you can do basically. And after that, similarly, let's say you didn't like any of these, you can create a variation by clicking on this again, and it will start creating a variations of these images. And yeah, that's how you can use it pretty much. And you can explore it a little bit more in order to get an idea like how to use it well. But yeah, this was a basic of it. So I hope you liked this video. If you liked it, then don't forget to hit the bell icon and subscribe this channel. I will see you on the next video. For then, goodbye.